Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, August 17th. It's 3:22 p.m. It's about 40 minutes before the regular session close. You can see my computer clock on my right with the date and time, and on my left is the time and sales, the Emini SP currently trading at 28.14. Okay, so I want to explain a couple things about my videos and why I do what I do. The reason I show lots of different charts and lots of different time frames is because I want to show the versatility of the Autotrader. Also want to point out that the Autotrader is a tool. It's not a trading system with some name like, you know, day trader or whatever. It doesn't do just one thing. The Autotrader is a tool. It allows you to test and verify various settings before you trade live. So it is expected that you're going to have to do some work on your own part. There's no such thing that exists in the trading community that you give someone software to put on their PC and they become a successful trader with no work and no knowledge and no doing anything. Trading just doesn't work like that. The rewards are great in trading. The potential to make lots of money is there, but it only goes to those that do the work, and that applies to manual trading or discretionary trading. It's all very difficult. The Autotrader is a tool that allows you to test various scenarios before you trade, and it automates many of the tasks that we would do manually trading. That's why I created it. I created it also because I have vast experience actually trading. I've executed thousands of trades in real time over my 20-year career as a trader. I've been fortunate to rub shoulders with real traders in the industry. I've been to the offices of real trading companies and businesses at the CBOT and the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. There's a lot that goes on in the trading business that average people don't really know about. People that have indicators that claim they know what the institutions are doing, that's all BS. Nobody knows what the institutions are doing. If you look at the time and sales here and you see all these contracts going off, really what you see mostly right here, right now, is onesies and twosies and threesies, and occasionally you see a 12 or a 20, and even occasionally you'll see 100. But when institutions trade thousands and thousands of contracts, they break it up into little pieces like this. They have algorithms that do this kind of thing. So being able to tell when the institutions are active is just BS, in my opinion. Okay, so let's get back to the video here. Notice there's no trades on the chart just yet. This is the DAX 150 Heikin Ashi. This is has become one of our most consistent charts, but I'm showing this part of the chart because I want to point out how great the indicators are. Just look at the signals where the bar turned blue, and we've got the signal price marked clearly here with the arrow. These are just the indicators. The Autotrader automates this algorithm, but this was later in the day after it hit its goal, and just fantastic indicator signal. If I scroll back just a little bit, we'll see today's trades on this chart, and this starts trading at the London Open, but again, the DAX on the 150 Heikin Ashi tick chart has just been fantastic. It's been super consistent. It's on like a major winning streak. So it started out with a loser and drew down a little over $500 and then came back with 3 winners in a row, and you can kind of see the stair step up, and then it hit its goal at 25.50 with positive slippage. Okay, the DAX on the Super 14 tick chart did 2,000 today, so this probably hit its goal with no slippage on 2 trades. And here it is. Again, the indicator signals on our Super bars looking about as perfect as it could be. If there was no indicator here, we would have some red bars here in the other direction on just the Renko bars. Okay, so I wanted to show something else that's interesting. If you go to our website and you click on the YouTube icon right here, that will bring you to our video channel. and you can search our video channel. So if I just type in here FDAX and hit enter, it's going to bring up all the videos with the DAX. So a couple of the nasty comments I got recently were about showing too many templates, and why don't you show the same template? Well, the truth is, if you go back to the beginning of our videos, you'll see the same charts and templates over and over again. I've got 560 or 70 videos now, and if you go back to the beginning of our videos, you will see this DAX chart, the DAX chart, over and over and over again. So these are all the winning days with the DAX, if I've posted it in the title, and it's all the same time frames that you've seen over and over and over again. So these are all charts in the DAX, and if I go to the bottom, it just keeps going. There's dozens and dozens and dozens of them. So here's one from a year ago. The DAX, the Emini SP, line break. It's all the same stuff. Here's more from a year ago. Here's one from 2 years ago. The DAX, the Emini SP, the crude oil, and so on. I've been showing the same stuff for years. Different templates, but many of the same charts for years and years. The reason there's all kinds of different templates, again, is to show the versatility of the Autotrader. Okay, next up is the Emini SP in a 5-minute chart. This had a small loser here, drawing down less than $200, and then came back with a really solid long trade, and looks like it came just shy of our goal of 1520, so we probably hit our goal and had some slippage here. Okay, the DAX on a 34-tick line break chart drew down in the beginning about $700 or $350 per contract, and then came back with several winning trades and did $1450 for the day. Our goal on this being $1,500, so this probably hit its goal and had some slippage. Okay, the Nasdaq on a 987 Heikin-Ashi chart had 4 losers to start with and drew down about $800, but really that's only $200 per losing trade, which is pretty low, and that shows that it can handle some losers. And then it came back with these 2 solid winning trades and came probably shy of its goal, actually hit its goal, and had positive slippage. Okay, the Emini SP on a Superenco 2-tick chart had a single long trade, putting it to 737.50, just shy of its goal. And then the Emini SP on a regular Renko chart got cut short on this run here, but still did 375 on a single trade. That's still respectable. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.